Good morning, Tudor. This is my pronunciation. My name is Freddy Enrique Penagos Malaver. I am 35 years old. I am from Chia, Cundinamarca. I live in the neighborhood El Prado. I work in Belcor. My hobby is video games. I live with my wife, children, and my dog. I study industrial engineering. My favorite TV series is Los Reyes. My favorite sport is soccer. My parents are pensioners. My mother is 60 years old, with curly hair and short stature. My father is 65 years old, with white hair. My wife Jasmine is 32 years old, long brown hair.